A lot of traditional funnels ask for way too much, way too quickly. You send cold traffic to a long landing page or an opt-in form that asks for people's info immediately, and a lot of people just leave. But quiz funnels are different. They feel interactive instead of salesy, they guide people step by step, and they're converting incredibly well right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you why quiz funnels work so well and how to build one super fast using AI. Let's dive in. Now, to give you some quick context on why quiz funnels are blowing up right now, a typical opt-in form or landing page might only convert at around 2 to 5% on average, with 2% being the norm, whereas a well-built quiz funnel typically converts 30 to 60% of visitors into leads, depending on niche and traffic sources. And honestly, once you understand the psychology behind why quiz funnels work so well, those numbers start to make a lot more sense. So before we get into actually building a quiz funnel with AI, here are 5 quick reasons why quiz funnels are converting so well. Reason number 1, curiosity drives the clicks. So one of the biggest reasons quiz funnels convert so well is simple. People naturally want answers about themselves or about the problems that they face. And when it comes to quiz titles, they instantly create curiosity. Titles like, what type of investor are you? Or what marketing style suits you best? Or which diet plan is right for you? The moment someone sees a title like that, there's already a natural curiosity loop happening in their head, and that immediately gets more engagement than a standard download my free guide landing page. That said, curiosity alone isn't the only reason that quiz funnels work so good. Reason number 2, micro commitments increase conversions. So quiz funnels work extremely well because they rely on micro commitments throughout the funnel. Instead of asking someone to fill out a form immediately, you're just asking them to click a simple answer, often multiple choice, so it's super easy for them. That's much lower pressure. And once someone starts answering questions, momentum naturally builds because people want to complete the process and see the result. So instead of overwhelming people up front or trying to get info from them straight away, you're guiding them through small, simple actions step by step. And that changes the entire experience. Now, there's another reason that business owners are killing it with quiz funnels right now, which is better lead segmentation. So not every lead is the same. Beginners, for example, need different messaging compared to advanced users. Also, different people have different goals, different frustrations, different pain points, different budgets, and different levels of awareness. So instead of sending everyone through the exact same email follow-up sequence, quiz funnels allow you to automatically segment people based on their answers. This means more personalized email follow-ups, better offers, better targeting, and usually much higher quality leads overall. And this makes much more sense once you think about how people are actually consuming content today. Which brings us to reason number 4, quiz funnels work extremely well on mobile. So a lot of traditional funnels can feel a bit clunky on mobile phones. For example, a traditional funnel might have a massive wall of text, tons of scrolling, multiple buttons everywhere, but quiz funnels feel much more natural on mobile because they're built around simple tap-based interactions. People move through them quickly, the experience feels conversational and fun, and engagement tends to stay much higher because of it. But honestly, this next reason is probably the biggest one. Quiz funnels feel less like marketing. So with quiz funnels, your prospects don't feel like they're being sold to. Instead of someone landing on a page that immediately tries to push them an offer, the user feels like they're participating in something, and they feel like the owner behind the funnel actually cares about what's important to them, at least enough to ask questions. And psychologically, that creates much less resistance. Now, with that said, let me show you how to actually build one super fast with AI. So for this demo, I'm going to be using perspective funnels because it's one of the cleanest and easiest quiz funnel builders I've used. This platform is built mobile first, which matters because most traffic right now is mobile. That said, of course, perspective funnels does work just as well on desktop and tablet view as well. Perspective funnels is also very beginner friendly. It's not bloated like a lot of other tools out there. And it also comes with done for you templates that are not only already set up correctly for you, but they've actually been battle tested in the real world to generate real leads and sales. And on top of that, perspective funnels also has some pretty powerful AI features baked into the platform to help you create highly effective funnels quickly. Now, if you want to follow along with me while I build this funnel, then I've left my perspective link in the description below this video, and that will give you an extended 30-day free trial, which is double the amount of time you usually get for a free trial with perspective funnels. Now, let's actually build a quiz funnel. So once you're inside the dashboard here, the first thing we want to do is create a new funnel. So we can come to the new funnel button at the top right, and this will now bring us into perspective funnels template library. Now, I strongly recommend you start with a quiz funnel template because this will save you a huge amount of time rather than trying to put your quiz funnel together from scratch, which you can do if you want to. But if we start with a quiz funnel template, it's going to already have all the quiz logic built into it already for you, so you don't have to worry about that. So this template right here is a health quiz. So I'm just going to click to select this one. And before we go ahead and actually use this template, we can first of all see a quick insight so we can see what this funnel looks like. And I can scroll through and see the different pages that are currently set up in this funnel. Now this funnel template currently has 15 pages. You can of course add or remove any of those, which we'll get to in a minute. It's responsive on all devices. It's GDPR ready. So that's another headache you don't have to worry about. And you can actually set up this template in as little as 5 minutes, which is pretty damn fast. So for this quiz funnel example, we're going to build one for this business right here, which is joannasouthgate.com. It's a good example because Joanna offers shamanic healing and clearing services for people, land, property, and businesses. So not everyone coming to her website needs the same thing. Now, we can massively speed up the process here by using this AI brand profile feature. All I need to do is click on the drop down and select new brand profile, and then I can paste in Joanna's website URL and write a sentence or two on the target audience. And then I'm going to click generate profile. And honestly, this is one of the coolest parts of the platform because it's going to do most of the heavy lifting for you. And in seconds, Perspective Funnels now here is going to analyze things like your business, your audience, your offers, your tone of voice, your positioning, and then it automatically generates the funnel for you. So things like the funnel copy, the quiz questions, the structure, the positioning, and the layout are all generated automatically in seconds. And Perspective Funnels has also analysed all of Joanna's content, as well as her client testimonials, her brand voice, tone and style. So the quiz funnel will be written in the same tone and style. And Perspective's AI has also identified specific buyer personas that are perfect for Joanna. Let's click Save Profile. And now I'm going to click on the Personalised Template button. And Perspective Funnels will now get to work creating our funnel. Now, of course, you are going to want to specifically change your questions and your answers. No doubt you have specific ones in mind that you want to use in your funnel. But what Perspective will do here is it will create a quiz funnel for you now in your brand, tone and style. And it's going to create questions and answers that match your business. All that you'll then need to do is manually take a look and change the questions and answers you want to change. So now Perspective has pulled our funnel here into the editor where we can go through and tweak and edit it as we wish. Now, since Perspective Funnels is mobile first, you'll see the mobile view of your funnel by default in the editor here, but you can come down to the bottom right corner and click on this icon to switch it to the desktop view so you can get a clear idea of what your funnel is going to look like on both mobile and desktop. Let's just go back to the mobile view for now. So any of these sections you can of course delete or add new ones. We can start to customize any sections. For example, I can change this for Joanna's brand colors. Let's just go with this color for now. And I can change the Perspective logo here for Joanna's logo simply by dragging and dropping Joanna's logo just in this box here, and that will replace it instantly in your funnel. Now, as you go through your funnel, you can manually make changes, or you can also use AI to rewrite parts for you. For example, if you want to change this text, I can click on this AI edit button where I could generate a headline from this text or use AI to rephrase it, fix spelling, simplify, shorten, expand, and even change the tone or translate it to a different language if you wanted to. So let's go for rephrase. I click on this. Perspective is going to take a few seconds and rephrase this paragraph for us. And if we scroll down, here are the first questions that are in our quiz. Now, of course, I can click on any of these questions and just change the question manually by typing on my keypad. So very simple. I can change these icons just by clicking on them and selecting a new icon. Or we also have animated icons as well. Oh, that's actually not showing any results right now. That's possibly just a glitch at the time I'm recording, but usually you do also have animated icons if you want to play with those too. Or you've got this option here to add an image instead of an icon. So it's very, very simple to work with. And changing images is as simple as clicking on the section. You'll see the left sidebar menu changes, and then I can click on this image option right here, and then I can click on this option right here to upload another image from my computer, or if I already have an image in my library, so here's one I've uploaded earlier of Joanna, I can click to select, use media, and switch out that image, as you can see in the background right here, for Joanna's image. Okay, quick pause here. If you're getting value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I share step-by-step guides on how to simplify the tech side of your business to help you be more productive, how to actually use AI and other smart tools the right way, and how to turn those tools into systems that can potentially bring in more revenue. So if that sounds good to you, then I'd love you to be a subscriber so you don't miss what comes next. Now, if I click anywhere in the background of my editor, just here, for example, we'll see the left sidebar menu will change. And at the top here, we've got the overview, or we've got this option where I can toggle across and choose the design. So under design, we've got lots of different palettes for changing the color theme of our entire quiz funnel, or you can create your own with your own brand colors. But coming back to the overview tab, here we can see the actual structure of the funnel right here. So these are all the pages that are currently set up in our funnel. So we've got the questions, the branching logic, the results pages, all created for you. Now, since Perspective has created the first draft of your quiz funnel for you, all that you need to do is just go through and click on each of these pages and just make any changes that you want to. So your quiz has your specific questions and answers that you want to appear throughout your funnel. And on any pages, if you want to add any more elements, you've got this little plus button right here. And if I select this, we'll see the menu bar changes in the left again. And here we've got lots of different blocks and elements already set up for you. So for example, if I wanted to pull in a video, I can click on this video element right here, and that will bring in the video element into our funnel page. I can then click on this video element, the sidebar will change again in the left, and now these controls all relate directly to this video. So we can see here in the bottom, this is where I can drag and drop my video that will then appear here in my funnel. Now, I also have various other controls, such as changing the orientation of my video, adjusting the background color, and so on. And I can also drag and drop my video anywhere I want on my funnel as well, if I wanted to reposition it for some reason. Now, as your prospects continue through your funnel and answering your questions as they go, they'll eventually come to the email submission page where you can collect their information, they can submit their email so they can get their results for the quiz. Now, just so you know, Perspective Funnels has over 5,000 integrations, including platforms like Go High Level and ActiveCampaign and MailChimp and Gmail. So you can connect your email autoresponder to your Perspective Funnels account and collect and manage your leads. And Perspective also has WhatsApp integration built in, which is super powerful because it can help you nurture and follow up with your leads directly through WhatsApp if you choose to use this feature. And then back in your quiz funnel right here, once your prospects have submitted their name and email address, if we look in the left sidebar under the pages for the quiz, if we scroll down, we now have our results pages. And currently there are 4 different results pages set up in this particular quiz because Perspective's AI has already figured out for you, dependent on the questions, that there are 4 different possible results. Therefore, it's created 4 different results pages. And we can click on any of these pages to see what they look like. And of course, adjust the content just as I showed you previously. And if you needed to add any more pages, you can just click this button right here to add a new results page, and then click on the little plus button right here and select from the left sidebar the new elements you want to pull in. Now, once you've finished editing your quiz funnel, make sure that it looks good on both mobile view as well as desktop view. Check everything looks good and is laid out how you want it to look before going live. Then come to the top right corner, click on the publish button, where before going live, you get the option to preview first. So if we click on this preview button right here, where we can see a preview of what our funnel is going to look like here on mobile, and we can scroll through and it's looking pretty nice. And if we come down to the bottom left corner, click on the desktop icon, we can now see what our funnel will look like on desktop too. Now at this point, you're pretty much ready to go and you can hit the publish button on your funnel. Now, quiz funnels are particularly effective for cold traffic, and that's because the first interaction feels much more low pressure. And because you can segment people easily with a quiz funnel, you can usually create much better follow-up marketing afterwards with your email campaigns. And as a result, you should get much more higher conversions when it comes to sales through your emails too. Now, for Perspective itself, what I personally like about it is the speed, the mobile-first design, the user experience, the AI features, and just how easy overall the whole platform is to use. Now, to be fair, Perspective Funnels isn't the cheapest funnel builder out there. Definitely is a bit more of a premium tool. And if you're paying monthly, pricing starts at €59 per month, which is around $69 per month. And their top plan at €369 per month. This is around $435 per month. It's not cheap, but that said, you can save 20% if you pay yearly. And also, it is actually hard to find cheap platforms that combine this level of functionality, user experience, AI, mobile-first design, and funnel templates that have actually been tested and used in the real world. So for the right type of business, I think Perspective Funnels is a solid option. Now, if you want to try Perspective Funnels for yourself, then you can get access to the extended 30-day free trial via my link in the description box below this video. And if you want to see my deep dive on the entire Perspective Funnels platform, then watch this video right here. Or if you want to see 3 of the most effective funnel types that are working online for businesses right now, then watch this video right here.